What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm here today with
me,
Michelle, and today we are going to be doing some major hair cutting.
yes.
I will be using clippers for the first time. I have never shaved a head at all, and she wants a side shave, so that's what we're gonna do. I've got it sectioned out, and I think that's a pretty good section to do. I'm gonna cut this first and then shave, so let's just get into it. You ready?
Yes.
You're really ready?
Yes.
No turning back now. Does it hurt?
Not really.
Man, your hair is so thick.
It's not my fault.
It's also are not really the proper scissors to be using.
Oh, that hurts.
Sorry, I'm kind of having to cut downwards.
Woo!
Oh,
I feel lightheaded.
there it goes.
Let me
Well, there it is. Pigtail.
It feels so soft though. That's a
Well,
messy.
feel your head. Feel your
Oh
head.
my gosh, I feel awesome. It actually feels so comfortable. Like,
Oh my gosh.
they look kind of funny though.
It's time for the big boy. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, you got one still.
Sorry, it tickles. For some reason, this feels nice. Like a pen.
Oh my gosh.
What? What'd you do?
Nothing. It's just crazy looking so short.
Oh, feels nice. Oh my god. I made so much weird noises.
Okay, let's see what it looks like unclipped and actually down and styled a little bit.
I want to take it off. Oh my gosh, it looks nice. I like it.
That does look really cool.
I know. Now we gotta dye it.
Oh my gosh, I like it a lot. It looks really cool.
I do too. Oh crap.
It looks so cool. Oh my
Wait,
gosh.
oh my gosh, it looks awesome. Oh my gosh, it goes so well with the black hair. Also, we could refresh this with the dye that you wanted to make. Up here.
Here, let me use a brush to kind of
Thank you.
try to get some of this.
Ooh, touching the back. Ooh.
Wow, that is awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh wow.
Looks nice. I like it. Belle, don't eat the hair. And guess, oh, Belle, she's actually eating it. She's actually eating it.
No, not the hair.
Hey, editing me here just real quick. I want to just address how abrupt this transition is. We got distracted by our dog who was eating hair that had fallen on the ground, so we just completely forgot about an outro and everything. So just here's onto the actual outro. Alright, it's actually several days later, and I realized as I was editing that I did not film an outro. So here we are, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel. We will be doing the rest for hair next week. We're going to be dyeing it, so if you want to see what that's going to look like, stay tuned. But I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.